Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection game. So after launching the Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see under general the language option is selected as English. From here you can select the other language and you can easily change the language to that particular language that you have selected. Just for example, select French, and after that restart your PC and you will find the language has been changed to French once again. But if you want to revert it back to English or any other, then also you can change it from here. So just for example, you want to change it back to English, so simply select it and after that restart your PC and you will find the game's language is on English. So by this way you can easily change the language of Monster Hunter Stories 3 Twisted Reflection game from English to any other or revert it back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.